Hello, and welcome to a craft how-to with the San Bernardino County Museum. I'm Eliana Zacarias, Curator of Education, and today we will be making an anatomically correct six-sided snowflake. You will need a square of paper, some scissors, optionally a pencil, and your imagination. Let's get started. I highlighted the front edges of my paper to help guide you in folding today. Placing my highlighted side down, we'll make our first fold. Take your square of paper and fold the paper in half diagonally, like so, matching up the corners, and then fold, leaving you with a big triangle. From here, we'll make our second fold, and you will fold this triangle in half. Again, you see, matching up the corners and making a crease, leaving you with a smaller triangle, like so. Now, our third and fourth fold are a little tricky. You need to fold the triangle into thirds. If you're following at home from a kit, use your little guide, as you see here, by placing the corner of the triangle into the corner, right here, of the guide, and using the dotted lines to help you find that third fold. Now, if you're following us from home without a kit, that's okay. You can kind of eyeball this. Try to find the center point and fold over a little bit over the center point and getting it at an angle, like so. Then you will fold the other half in, like so. And that will roughly give you a third fold. You'll end up like this. Now that we have folded our paper into thirds, we will flip it over, and we'll see that there is a straight line right here in which we can follow. Take your scissors and cut along the straight edge of the paper, trying to get as close to the edge as possible. Then you'll take away the excess and you are left with a isosceles triangle shape. Note that the highlight is on the edge here. Now you are ready to start cutting and designing your snowflake. You can use a pencil to help you draw guidelines to cut alongside. But from here, any shape or any design that you put in here will become a perfect six-sided snowflake. If you want an added challenge, here are a few different snowflakes that I have tried to copy exactly from a real snowflake. Thanks for learning how to make a snowflake with me today. Whether at home or in person, we hope you enjoyed connecting with us here at the San Bernardino County Museum. See you next time!